enable the chat, refresh, blah blah blah, and run a test. Offline. No, I just went offline for a second because of my microphone. That's it. Okay, the chat is working. Welcome, Daniel. Welcome to the stream. Welcome, Rabbits. Yes, I will stream. I am streaming right now. Let me give the game a quick go and remind myself where I was. Let's see. What did it say here? Unclosed comments. Weapons spread. Objects, weapons spread. I never closed this comment. I was trying to create some sort of like weapon system where we could stack effects and stuff like that. I'm not sure how to do it, to be honest, so I'm just experimenting with it, and we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna change my goal. Experimenting, and the game itself. The volume is too loud. What about now? Okay, for some reason I can't see the game. So let me see real quick. Untitled shmup. Gemini bird. Okay, there we go. There it is. Let's just give the game a go. I'm gonna get one of my gamepads. Thank you, Rapids. How are you doing, guys? By the way, I never asked. Let's see how things are going. Okay, it started pretty horribly, and ooh, okay, it's harder than I remember. Okay, so that bug's still there. A couple of display bugs and stuff. I think the camera is just moving too fast. Let me try to get some HP. Oh, okay, so the camera is moving way too fast. People were complaining that it was too slow, but I may have gone overboard actually with the camera. Let's see, move speed. So I'm gonna go for a 30 maybe. Let's see. By the way, guys, the project is open source, so if you want to check it out, contribute or anything, you can always do that by going through to the GitHub. So right now I obviously have a performance issue because all my enemies are created in the game at like runtime, and that's not how I want it to be. Obviously, I want them to be created as I need them. I had it that way before, but I actually don't remember how I did it before, and I think I pretty much implemented a new way of creating levels, so I'm not sure if it'll work anymore. As you can see, there's a lot of placeholder graphics as well. I don't know if you guys have been here before in the stream, but most graphics are placeholders. Although I want the game to be in this style, like this weird, like super bright style, which I really dig. But the graphics are placeholders. Okay, so this is, I think, speed. Oh no, this is range. And I think I'm gonna change how the power of systems work. Instead of it being like different items that you can pick up, I'm gonna make it so that it's only one item, and it's sort of like points where you can buy your upgrades, just like in Gradius actually. So those are the changes that I'm thinking about making. Hey, there's like enemy stuff down there. Ooh. Okay, cool, not too bad. I can manage this. The idea is for the game to be sort of hard, but not impossible, obviously. Give me some HP, please. Okay. So I noticed that if that enemy is like right in the border right there, it never manages to actually shoot. Cool, so I got to the end. That's nice. Am I getting any points from these guys? Okay, there we go. Okay, so it's working. It runs and it doesn't crash. So those are good news, pretty much. Let me reopen Flash Developer real quick. Something happened there where it sort of went crazy. Let's see. Flash Develop, and let's reopen it. Oh, you guys can't see that I actually closed it down. Cool. All right. So, do any of you guys know composition very well? Because I have like a couple of questions regarding that, so if any of you guys know how that works very well, please let me know. I don't know if anyone knows. Because pretty much what I was trying to do yesterday is, well, first of all, let me see if I can find a way to object placement. So this is what I should be playing around with. I can add the goal and stuff. Here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking that I could do something like this. Private static function place enemy and then enemy and then enemy, and then it'll do reg.ps that enemies that add enemy, right? So we're gonna do if reg.ps the player dot player dot x plus, no, we're gonna do fx math dot distance between reg.ps dot player. Oh no, because this is just a point, so we're gonna do distance. Right, so we're gonna do reg.ps dot player, and then we're gonna do fx point. We're gonna do less than flx g.width times 2. We're gonna place it times 2, right? So there's gonna be enemy buzz and then enemy. Let's see if it runs at least. Well, I'm not actually using it yet, so. We're gonna try to see if this works. So let's see, right? Get any object, get object right here. So we're gonna do place enemy. And we're gonna do choose enemy. Enemies, and then we're gonna do let's see if the ground enemies actually get unexpected. Okay. So now every ground enemy should be placed only. In that case, let's see if that even works. So in my tracers, in states, place states, tracers, I'm going to comment out pretty much everything except enemies. I'm going to do enemies dot end and boom. Right? Missing blah blah blah. Okay, but why? Oh, sorry. So, right. So, unexpected. Let's see what happened. Okay, so this one. So you guys can hear me well now, right? Enemies 86. Okay, so there's too many enemies in the game right now. Now let's do this and let's do this and see if there's gonna be more than 86. Like if there's like a ridiculous amount. Let's check. 98, 147. Okay. So let's see. Place enemies. So I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna do this. Plus choose enemy. There's gonna be flying up to movement and add minion. Yeah, this sounds good though. Or I could do. Yeah, this sounds good. So let's see. It does say 81 still. Let me see if I can do something like trace placed ground enemies. Trace placed flying onto the water. Trace. Sorry. Okay, so here we go. It placed them all in the beginning, so that's not really what I want, right? I want them to check the position of the player. So we're gonna see what the problem is. So right now what I'm gonna do is if blah blah blah, I'm gonna do this like this. I'm gonna do less than 10. So it's only gonna place them if the distance is less than 10, I think. Did it place them? It did place them still. Okay, so this doesn't work. Okay. Clean this out. Here. Tracers, walls. I'm really curious as to how to do this actually. It's really... yeah, it shouldn't be. But let's play and see if they're actually going to be placing more as we play. I don't think so. But let's just try it out. So the last one is placed free movement. So let's see. No, I think it actually just places them all as we go. Well, not as we go, in the beginning of the level, which is not what we want. But I had it like that before. That's like a long time ago, and I don't remember. No, it doesn't seem to be doing anything. Okay, that sounds good. And by good I mean bad. But let's see. Let's try to figure this out. My lips are all messed up. Let's see. For chunk in raw chunks. Okay, I think it could be possible to... Okay, let me try something out actually. Boom, 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 and that's it. Okay, let me try something out actually. What if my check that I did in place enemy, something like this, I would place it right after I get the position, so pause would be for each object, so it's always looping and going through that. Hey Anthony, how's it going? So we could do something like if distance blah blah blah, and then here it's gonna do all the checks, so it's gonna go like that. How's it going, man? Let's see if it actually enemy pause. Okay, so enemy pause should be pause directly. Hey Biacho, how's it going, man? Welcome to the stream. So right now it should only summon enemies when we're very close. It says place free movement. I don't know why. Okay, it's that one there, right? So right now it only placed one, or so it seems. All good, man, all good. Happy to have you here, man. Place free movement. Did I comment everything else out? Place free movement. Did that dude just disappear right there? Or did I kill it? Okay, so right now it only did it once. So let's see. If distance to point. So yeah, I'm between these two. I have the pause right here. Distance to point. I have an idea right now. I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna do trace. Let's map distance to point, and then roguelike as a player, and then pause. And I just wanna see what the distance are. Like it's gonna spit a lot of distances, I hope. Hey Biacho, welcome back. So 8, 4,000, blah blah blah. So it's only giving me like 2 or something? That shouldn't be the case though. So let's see. Place free movement, place free movement. Yeah, I don't want it to place all of that right away. So I'm gonna do this. Let's guys, this is complicated for me. I'm not